Minsan, konnichiwa, Zamurai Engineer desu. We're still in chapter 4, and let us continue discussion of LU decomposition, which is the second method we're discussing to solve numerically solution on simultaneous linear equation. So method here is given matrix A decomposes to lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. So we have the following. So we have a square matrix must be equal to a lower and upper triangular matrix. So like this. Okay. So we have these two types of matrix. So U is the same as the coefficient matrix at the end of the forward elimination step. So using forward elimination, we have the U. Okay, same as in Gaussian elimination, the triangular matrix that we are targeting to find out, okay, in our forward elimination process. And L is obtained using the multipliers that were used in the forward elimination process. So we already used the multiplier, so therefore we will not waste those values and save those values in a storage inside the computer, so that we can use it in order to determine the elements for the lower triangular matrix. Okay, so we already know that values. So let us have this example of finding the U matrix, which we already know. Using forward elimination procedure for Gaussian elimination, we have the following. Already know about this. Okay, so just on our previous example, so the first row have to be multiply by 64 and divide by 25, so that we can subtract it to row number 2. Okay, so just like this. So row number 2, so meaning this row minus row 1, which is multiplied by this one. This one is the multipliers that were used in forward elimination. That is the multiplier. So the multiplier could be determined by multiplying this one and dividing by this one. Okay, if you are going to eliminate this one, so multiply by this one and divide by this one. So that is this one, this value. This value is the multiplier. So we can have the following upper. Not yet. We need another one here. So let us find out that value. So after step 1, we have this, and we have to target this. So let us use row 2 in order to eliminate this one. Therefore, we need row 3. This is the row 3 minus row number 2 multiplied by this multiplier. This multiplier is equal to this one divided by this one. So 16.8 divided by this one. So we have what? The upper triangular matrix, which is equal to this one. Okay, already finished doing the upper triangular matrix. How about finding out the lower triangular matrix? Take note, using the multipliers used in forward elimination. So we have the multipliers. Okay, the first one multiplies 2.56. Remember, that is what second row first column. So this is the second row first column. Row column. So row column combination. The second row first column. Third row first column. So third row first column. We already know this. This is the first step in finding out the upper triangular matrix. These are the multiplier. So we need another one, which is what? Row 3 second column. Okay, so row 3 second column. So we already actually have these values. We already have these values. So for example, this one. Okay. So this one, 3.5. That is the element row 3, second column. Okay, that is 3.5. Okay. So for 5.76, that is actually this one. 5.76, this one. We already know about this. So we don't need, we are just showing this this computation again. But actually, the machine will not compute it again. It is already computed, so it is already stored in the memory. Okay, you have to store it in memory. Then afterwards, just what? Put it on the right places. Then add 1, 1, 1 to the diagonal elements, and then we have the lower triangular matrix already. Okay, that's how we find the pair of matrix L and U. So that's L and U is equal to A. We can find it out. You can check. So you have the L and U. So multiply. So let us just multiply and find out if this product will become equal to the matrix A. So as an assignment, please do this. So how to multiply a matrix? So multiply this one with this one. What is the value? 25. Multiply this one with this one. So that is 5 because this is 0 and this is 0. So and then for this value, multiply this one and this one. So 0, 0, that is 1. So the first row of matrix A is 25, 5, 1. And that is correct. Okay. So do this matrix multiplication using your sketch paper as an assignment. So I may check this practice problem later. Okay. So by this, we'll expect you to view the next video. Let's end our topic today. Again, this is Dr. EYPEI, Teaching Engineering for Nation Building.